Hey guys, welcome back to another video, or second. This is one of the Elite Nerf guns. It is electric. And it comes with a mag that holds 25 bullets. It's a 25 bullet mag, fairly big. You can squeeze in 26 bullets, except squeezing in 26 bullets might get your gun jammed. So like mostly all the guns, it just goes in like that. Now, this is big, and if you're little, you can't lift that much, then this is not a good gun for you. Now, to do, like, if your gun does get jammed, you would have to flick this back, flip this up, then you can grab all the bullets. Except cases are, your gun probably won't get jammed if you're being careful with it. So to get this baby started, just have to pull down this, and then boom. So it's pretty fast. I'm out of bullets. So if you were to get shot with this, it would hurt pretty bad. How fast it goes is pretty good. Faster bullets fly. With a few mods to this, it would go flying. Or you could make it to not get jammed. And to take out the mag, all you have to do is push this button in and pull this out. And then you have your gun. Well, your mag. And you can just reload your mag. Then grab all your bullets. Just take a minute. I'm sure I forgot to grab a few, but that's okay. I'll just count them while I reload. Don't worry, I'm a fast reloader. I'm going to have a Nerf Gun birthday party. Ow! My brother just gave me a spanking with a sword. So I'm just going to load this. Ow! My brother just fell. Hold on. What's wrong?
I hurt my neck and my arm.
Is it all better? Okay. So, I grabbed 20 bullets. I would just need 5 more if I wanted to fill this completely. Fills about to there. So then you can just reload it and keep on shooting. Well, I heard something. I heard something crack. Oh my. So, this is a pretty good gun overall. Just weighs about 20 pounds. No, not 20. Just weighs about 5 pounds. And it takes those big fat batteries. I forget what they're called. It takes those big fat batteries that are like this big. It takes about 3 of those batteries that are like this big. The batteries are I just lost the mag. That's the only problem I don't like about this gun. Is if you accidentally go like this, your mag just falls out. Yeah, if you accidentally your finger accidentally goes up, pushes that button, your mag just falls out. And it's really annoying, especially if you're having a war with someone. So, I really like this gun, and I think you should get it. So, I hope you liked the video. Give a thumbs up and subscribe. Goodbye.